Well, back to work and back to school for many today, and the commute tonight, not too bad. There are certainly slippery spots out there. Temperatures were the big story of the day, and heading into your evening, we're still very mild in Fargo, 31 degrees here. Moorhead still 34 out at your airport. We have a northerly flow, though, now from the north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. That's going to usher in some slightly cooler air. You can see that up along Highway 2, where we have low 20s for Grand Forks, for Thief River Falls, as well as Baudette, 25 right now in Langdon. Still mild in Jamestown at 31 degrees, and it is 30s for western parts of Becker and Otter Tail counties heading into your evening. We do have a fair amount of cloud cover over the valley. We've seen that through the majority of the day. The cloud cover out to the west, enhanced with a little bit of snowfall making its way into the central part of the Dakotas. Here is the center of an Alberta clipper that is winding its way to the south and east as we head into the evening hours. And this will impact the morning for some in our area. And here's how. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows that for this evening, most of us will just contend with some low clouds, and the temperatures will be slow to fall here in the south. We'll still, by the 10 o'clock hour, be well into the 20s in most locations. However, up north, some teens will, well, definitely cool you off. As we head into the overnight hours, there comes the Alberta Clipper. The track of this changing just a little bit farther to the south, which means mainly most of the accumulating snow with this system will stay south of I-94. If you are in Ellendale, if you are in Ypsilanti, you're right in the track of this, and those areas getting hit very hard with nearly 2 feet of snow from our past system. Now, this will still bring snow for your morning commute in our southern counties. Up north, we'll have flurries and generally cooler temperatures, around 10 in northwest Minnesota to start your day, closer to 20 down south. Then that's where we stay put, those low 20s for many of us. The snow should be wrapping up and exiting by the midday hour. And that means your afternoon commute could be a little on the slippery side on the way home in the south. Otherwise, it looks fairly quiet with temperatures that will be colder than today by close to 10 degrees. Here is an update to your snowfall forecast. It does look like we'll have just a trace in many locations north of Interstate 94. To the south, a trace to an inch, and some isolated locations will pick up that good 1 to 3 inch dose, with spotty locations getting as much as maybe 4 inches of snow. As we take a look at your planning forecast, we're expecting temperatures in the upper teens to start our day here in Fargo, ramping it up into the mid and upper 20s for the Southern Valley, mid 20s out in Valley City and Jamestown, and it does look like in the far northwest quadrant of Minnesota, some teens for your afternoon in Roseau County. Here's a beautiful scenic shot, this one from the Shevlin area. Thank you so much, Helen, for uploading that postcard-looking shot after our big, heavy snow. Here is a look at your Saturday forecast. We remain much cooler, 10 to start, 20 to finish your afternoon on Saturday. It does warm up as we highlight your weekend planner for Sunday. 33 degrees with south winds boosting those temperatures back up. We'll see more cloud cover on Sunday and a chance for some hit and miss showers of snow. It does not look like a big, impactful snowfall. Next week, we'll have a chance of snow through the early half of the week as an Arctic air mass punches down, and it will arrive on Wednesday morning as we'll have temperatures in many areas in the teens below to start the day. We do rebound from that cold Arctic blast fairly quickly, Mike, but another one coming for the following weekend, so maybe a good idea to hop on the bus, Gus, and head to maybe Frisco next weekend.
It's been cold there, relatively speaking.
Not 15 to 30 below.
No.
Right.
All right. Make sure you have the Valley News Live Storm Team weather app so you can keep up with the weather anytime, anywhere. You'll get the latest forecasts and conditions so you can plan your day. Just search VNL Weather in the App Store. Download it for free. Up next on